Non-stop. Those people who did not, he lost a debate against a Christian called Abdullah Atam. And when people said you lost the debate, he said those people who are saying I lost the debate are bastard children. My God. So if you lose a debate and if people identify your loss, they are bastard children. As for his claim that the Quran, it is not the Prophet saying this. The Quran says, Kunu, be to a specific group of people, not all the Banu Israel. Not all the Yahud, because among the Banu Israel are prophets. And the Quran says, Minhum mu'minun. Minhum mu'minun. From them are believers. So he is misrepresenting the Quran to save his false prophet. Go ahead. 2 minutes.
Lying, he has no idea what is he talking about.
Proof, please.
When we call a person a harami, Rasulullah has used that word too. It does
Wait. I'm not going to...
Hold on.
Present the evidence. Present the evidence. The Prophet called someone harami. Present the evidence.
You can do that in 2 minutes.
No. He made a... I cannot tolerate this. I cannot tolerate BS. No. Where did the... Okay, show us the hadith. Oh, bhai, kya ho gaya? Don't... Physical... Why are you getting physical?
In front of me. He doesn't know to stop.
Okay, evidence, please.
Evidence, please. Hold on a second.
You just claimed the Prophet called people harami. Did you hear this? Did you hear this? Okay. Now he's asking for the evidence. Don't let him off. Evidence. Where did the Prophet call someone harami?
Hold on. But we did agree
Yeah,
that he called...
I hope everyone's watching.
Hold on. What's the problem with you?
No.
Evidence.
What's the problem?
Evidence.
What's the problem? Reference that Rasulullah sallam calls, if he takes the same thing that his mother goes to mother, if Rasulullah calls somebody big, is it something like a monkey? He's called all the ulama.
The Prophet didn't call anyone.
No. He's talking now. Listen, he's worried about me. What I'm saying is,
I'm worried. I am seriously worried about him. I am worried.
Quran says that
All you have to do within the 2 minutes, give me evidence.
لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ ثُمَّ رَدَدْنَاهُ أَسْفَلَ سَافِلِينَ. They are worse.
They can't even read the Quran.
All kind of people are there.
There are major mistakes. This is Surah Al-Fatiha.
अब क्या करें इन लोगों का? वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह.
Zana and all that sort of they people call them like that. Like as I said, Rasulullah called all the 72 sects as Jahannamis. They are, you can say this, it is an abuse. It's not abuse. It's a fact. When it's a fact, then it's in fact it can be said. It's not about you can, if you know a little bit about Islam, he called a lot of people. Quran has called them. So all I'm saying,
No, let him speak. Let him speak. Let him dig his holes. Let him dig the ditch.
Look,
Okay, time's up. Your time is up.
He was talking.
Okay,
Your time is up. Murabbi Sahib, क्या हो गया आपको?
Did you stop him? Did you stop him?
Murabbi Sahib, Murabbi Sahib, calm down. Relax. Murabbi Sahib, relax.
He never let.
Don't. Murabbi Sahib, you are an elder. Murabbi Sahib, don't run away, Murabbi Sahib. पूरी दुनिया देख रही है आपको. पूरी दुनिया देख रही है आपको. इस तरह रुसवा ना करें अपनी जमात को रुसवा ना करें. आप मेरी सुन लेना. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट सुन लें.
दुनिया में आज तक पैदा नहीं हुआ.
मेरी रिक्वेस्ट सुन लें.
रियल मुस्लिम.
Okay, give me proof then.
ये आदमी डरा हुआ आदमी है. देखो मेरी बात सुन. पहले आपको मैंने कहा ना ये सवाल.
मैं डरा हुआ बंदा हूँ.
सवाल होता है.
मैं वाकई डरा हुआ बंदा हूँ.
English.
अब जब करेगा तो ये तो
मैं अल्लाह से डरा हुआ हूँ. मैं अल्लाह से वाकई डरा हुआ हूँ.
They will keep you. These people will kill you.
Can I have proof, please? Can I have proof?
अच्छा मुरब्बी साहब
15 बंदे मेरे साथ बात कर रहे हैं.
मुरब्बी साहब, you are attacking the cameras. मुरब्बी साहब, relax. Relax. मुरब्बी साहब, आप 2 minutes आपने uninterrupted बोला है. आप 2 मिनट रुक जाएं. 2 मिनट रुक जाएं. 2 मिनट.
This what work you are doing, Kufar can do better.
मुरब्बी साहब, आप
Another minute.
Kufar can do much better like that.
मुरब्बी साहब, मुरब्बी साहब, रिलैक्स हो जाएं. मुरब्बी साहब, रिलैक्स हो जाएं. नहीं, let me speak. मुरब्बी साहब, relax. My 2 minutes start now, please. My 2 minutes. Okay, मुरब्बी साहब, he said that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used the word harami against his opponents. Okay, he used the word
I
harami.
didn't say, this is lie.
Yeah.
This is a lie.
Assalamu
It's a lie.
Okay,
I didn't say that.
okay.
I said
Wait. Did he say this or not?
Yeah, he did.
He did? Okay.
It's on camera.
It's on camera. Murabbi Sahib is on camera. Okay. Murabbi Sahib to save Mirza Qadiani. He threw the blame on the Prophet of Islam, the true Prophet of Allah, Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He's now claiming Mirza Ghulam. He's not denying that Mirza used these words because he cannot.
I'm
Oh no, Murabbi Sahib, it's my time. Murabbi Sahib, it's my time. Murabbi Sahib, you're disgracing your people. मेरा टाइम पॉज कर दे मेरा टाइम पॉज कर दे one second.
I spent over an hour debating him. You
Yeah.
know what? He never answered.
He said Khatam is in the Quran, Khatim isn't, and it's more only one Khatam, yes.
Okay.
He doesn't know what Qiraat is. They don't know the Quran. Okay, wait. Their caliphs read the Quran in Punjabi with Punjabi makharij, so I don't expect better. Wait, Murabbi Sahib, don't run away. Murabbi Sahib, no, don't. Keep it. Murabbi Sahib.
My time, I'm not coming. All I'm saying, he's wasting the time. He's a time
not
waster.
wasting.
He's a jahil.
Listen.
Completely.
Okay,
What I'm saying-
Listen. Wait.
Now relax, Murabbi. Relax.
With Adnan.
This
It's
is how we
good.
talk with him.
Relax.
Because we're talking
Relax.
nicely.
We are human beings. Murabbi Sahib.
No problem.
Murabbi Sahib. Relax.
Adnan, relax with him because I did the slaughtering. Adnan
Yeah.
is going to skin you.
And then someone else will make the tikka. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Murabbi Sahib, relax ho jaye. Let me speak. Murabbi Sahib said.
No. You're just
1 minute. Murabbi Sahib.
Yes, 1 minute is done. He has 1 more minute.
Okay. First of all, he's trying to run away. Murabbi Sahib, when I walked into the park just now, he was talking to some Muslim brothers. He was talking to this brother, an Arab. Amazingly, he's talking to an Arab and teaching him Arabic.
Yes.
And he's saying, no.
Yes, I'm
Wait.
an Ahmadi.
Oh, yeah.
I do that. It's
Rela-
my job
oh,
to teach
yaar,
the whole
oh,
world.
relax.
I am present in 200 countries now.
Everyone's watching what's happening. Okay. Then I overheard him telling the Arab brother
Yes,
that in the Quran the word Khatam is there.
Others have shown that, and you didn't show that.
Let me finish. The word Khatam is there, Khatim isn't there. I asked him to
There's
stand
no
by.
khatim in the
I
name.
asked him,
Khatam.
okay, relax.
Relax.
Oh, Bhaijan.
Like kuffar.
Oh, mere chacha jaan.
चाचा जान मेरी बात सुनो
ओ,
ये नॉइज
चाचा-
है
ओ, चाचा
उनको
जी।
बेचारे आए हैं उनको कुछ सुनने दो तो बात करने दो आपका नॉइज
आप इतना शोर, why are you making so much noise?
because you are making noise
Up.
what I'm saying
Am I-
he's helping you because we know you are
Okay, I'll request everyone, let him make noise, and when he gets tired, then I will speak. No problem. Go on.
Carry on.
Look,
Go on,
if you
go
want
on.
to start
Keep lying.
if you want
When you're tired, then I'll speak. No problem. Yeah. 2 minutes each. He finishes 2 minutes, and then when I started speaking, he's making noise. So let me do my talking. You can do your talking.
Listen. Let Brother Adnan speak.
Yes.
But look, what you scared of?
Scared what?
What you
He's
scared
talking,
of?
he's not-
No, 2 minutes. 2 minutes each.
no
Let him
no
speak.
I didn't say that I said
How much time
3
do you want?
minutes.
4 minutes, half an hour, 5 minutes.
No, 1 hour.
Punch.
1 hour each.
what we decided on what we decided
मुरब्बी साहब देखें आप हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं, आप मुझसे बड़े हैं, आप मुझसे उम्र में बड़े हैं, मैं आपका अदब और एहतराम करता हूँ. Please let me speak. Let me speak respectfully. You are older than me. You are older than me, and I don't want to be disrespectful. If it was someone else younger than me, I would use a different tactic. People know me how I deal with people. So I am trying to be as respectful as possible. I am noisy for the right people. And I'm very humble and silent and quiet and okay, so please don't interrupt me. Murabbi Sahib, when I walked into the park, he was teaching in Arab the Quran and he was claiming Khatam is Quran, Khatim isn't. Then I asked him, do you know what the Quran is? And he said, yes, I do. Quran means reading and Quran has qiraat, readings. readings, okay? And the majority reading of the word is Khatim. Khatam is only one qira'ah, which is Hafs, right? He doesn't know about this. I'll tell you why. In the Qadiani Jamaat, they don't teach them these things. No, wait. Let me finish. Oh, yaar, let me finish. Their khulafa, their leaders of the Jamaat, from Bashiruddin Mahmud, Mirza Ghulam Muhammad Qadiani's son, to this day, one of his great-grandchildren, Mirza Masroor, is the caliph. Not one of them could read the Quran in the Arabic language. They read the Quran in the Punjabi language, with Punjabi makharij. Okay? Go and listen to the Quran, and your child at home can read better Quran. From Morocco to Bangladesh, our children walk into any masjid from Morocco to Bangladesh and ask a child to read the Quran, he will read better Quran than their caliphs. For 100 years, they could not teach their caliphs the Quran. I'm not surprised when they come up with these blunders. Khatam is the Quran and Khatim isn't the Quran. Coming to Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said the Prophet called people harami, and he could not present the evidence. Okay, you know why he said that? You know why he said that? Because his own prophet, so-called prophet, called people harami. And you know who he called harami? People who were resisting the racist, the brutal, the tyrannical, the oppressive, the genocidal British colonial rule in India. If you were a freedom fighter in India in the 19th century, according to their prophet Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, you were a harami. He called them harami. Ask him to challenge me, and he won't challenge me because he knows I will pull out the page from his book, the very page where he calls people, those who resist the British colonial rule in India, are haramis. They are bastards. He's calling them bastards because he was a true servant, true loyal servant of the British. Respond now. Look, this is 2 minutes. Go ahead. I will not interrupt. Murabbi Sahab.
How much time do you need?
What we talked.
5 minutes?
We talked, I so told.
We have to be fair. We have to be fair. I took 2 minutes, you take 2 minutes. I take 2 minutes, you take 2 minutes.
Lies and all that nonsense. I said to you,
the timing.
look, all I said was, these people are here. Their time is ready. They want to listen to something.
Yes, 2 minutes.
And I
Yes,
said,
2 minutes.
Simple.
They are interested in what you have to
Hold on,
say.
stop.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Is it? Are we starting a time now?
Yes.
No. I just committed.
He doesn't want to start the time. Oh, we're coming to that. We'll come to that.
All I
Yeah.
said was he's just a noisy thing. And he's frightened. He's frightened of that because what I'm saying.
Do I look frightened to you guys? Look. Murabbis are known for gaslighting. Do I look frightened to you by any stretch of imagination? Is there any fear on my face or in my body? Okay. Why does he see different things? He cannot see what you can see, but he is seeing something different. Murabbi Sahab, these tactics are not going to work. Let's get to the point. 2 minutes. Start. Respond to my question. Respond to my questions.
Again, when we start.
Time.
I said to put a question, you can do a question in 1 minute or 2 minutes. If you want to do a question you can put in 2 minutes, quite big question. But to answer that question, it probably requires 5 minutes. And that's what I said. Because people coming here, obviously they want to listen to both. They're not here to listen to the noise. There are certain questions, you see, in two minutes, you can sometimes put 10, 20 questions. And it's very difficult, and I have to choose. That's why there should be one question and one son. Then maybe something out of that.
Fair enough.
You might be
Which question do you want to address?
Please stop.
Which question?
This is what I said. And when he started, he agreed with that. And he started and stopped me on there. And he didn't want to.
Oh,
So I can
Murabbi Sahib, coffee. And if you want me to check the poison, I can check it for you.
This is the problem. This is I cannot put the sugar.
No sugar, no problem, no sugar.
Put somebody else. If somebody, आप sugar डाल दें.
नहीं आप पी लेना, आपके लिए कॉफी लाई. अगर आप चाहते हैं मैं चेक कर लूं इसमें जहर तो नहीं है, मैं चेक कर लूं.
तो उसमें भी जहर होगा, तो बाद में जहर. फिर भी I don't want sugar, इसमें sugar डाल दें.
मैं बिस्मिल्लाह अल्लाह अकबर पढ़ के पी जाऊंगा, कुछ भी नहीं होता.
Actually what it is, this system of noise and all that.
यार कॉफी पी लेना आप.
He's got a little helper.
ओहो
Muhammad.
ज़ाया कर दी कॉफी. You wasted the coffee.
Already.
To understand things, somebody has to listen to something and then think about it, and he takes a little bit of information. Which I was giving to him was that he should go home and check it.
I checked it now. I don't need to go home.
What I'm
I
saying.
found what you need. What's still missing?
Okay, got it. Got it.
Khatim, yeah?
Got it.
Yeah.
I'm Khatim.
Yeah. The
You all know-
قراءات
you all
المتواترة.
know-
ملك مالك والضحى والضحى.
You all know.
Razi said the both.
Okay. All I'm saying is.
He doesn't know. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. No problem. He doesn't know. No problem. It's possible for people to not know.
What I'm saying
It's
is-
possible.
I'm
No
sorry,
problem.
I'm sorry. But if you say a claim against the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam,
No, my question is, he's 50, he's over 50 years old, easily. And for all his life, he didn't know this. And the entire argument is based upon this verse. Surah Al-Ahzab, verse 40, the entire house of cards of Qadianiyya or Ahmadiyya is standing on this, or a twisted interpretation of this verse. And they don't know whether it's the Quran or not. He's saying Khatam is the Quran, Khatim isn't. He doesn't know what the Quran is. He doesn't know what the Quran is. And we have shown that repeatedly from their reading of the Quran. I dare you, or I dare him rather, sorry. Or I dare you to challenge him to read the Quran from anywhere. He will make 10 mistakes in one surah. These people, the Quran is not in fashion. In the Jamaat Ahmadiyya, can you read it?